Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. Today we will see while and do while loop in Java. So first of all let us see while loop. So in Java, a while loop is a control flow statement that repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. You understand that in while loop we have a condition and until that condition is true, the loop will run continuously. And if the condition is false, then the loop will terminate. It is often used when you don't know in advance that how many times you need to execute the loop, but you want to keep executing as long as the condition remains true. So here we have a basic structure of a while loop where we first write while, then we give the condition, which condition is checked again and again, and then we execute the code. And the code is executed until and unless this condition is true. And if this condition becomes false, the loop will get terminated. So like here we have an example of a while loop where we have a variable name count which is an integer data type and it has a value 1. Then we use our while loop and then we have give the condition where count is less than equals to 3. You understand? Then first we are printing the count which is 1, then we are incrementing it. So it will become 2. So this will run until this condition is met. Like if it become 2, this condition is true, then this will run again and count will be printed as 2 here, and next it will become 3, then this condition is also true now, so this will print 3 here. Okay, and if it becomes 4, then this condition is false, so the loop will terminate and this will be printed, which is loop has ended. Do you understand how loop works? And then we have nested loop where we have a while loop inside a while loop. We have an outer condition and inner condition. Did you understand? And then we have the example of the nested while loop where first we have a while loop and inside that we have another while loop, and when both the condition are true, the loop will run. So here also we have the line by line explanation of every example we have provided, and at last we have do while loop in Java. It runs once, then it checks the code. Do you understand how it basically works? See here also written that a do while loop in Java is similar to the while loop, but with one key difference: it always executes its block of code at least once before checking the loop condition. Do you understand? It always executes first, then it checks the condition. After the first execution, it continues to execute as long as the specified condition remains true. Means it will first print the beginning loop, means it will first execute a block of code which is provided first in do, then it will check the condition, and until and unless the condition is true, the loop will run and will terminate when the condition will become false. And we also have the example here. We have taken this example in our Eclipse IDE, so let us see there. So first we have our while loop. As we have seen, we have integer count equals to 1, which is our variable. This is int is our data type and this is our value of the variable. After that we have given a while loop. Okay, so here we have given a condition where count is less than equals to 3, means this condition until this is true, this loop will run. Then we are printing our count where a variable will be printed. So first of all, the one will come here, it will get printed directly, then the increment will happen, it will be incremented by 1. So it will be incremented, it will become 2, then this condition will be checked. If the condition is true, then the 2 will get printed. Then the increment happen, it will become 3 and it will check the condition. If it is true, then it will get printed and then it will become 4, and 4 this condition will check whether it is valid or not. So as 4 is not less than equals to 3, so the loop will get terminated. The loop has ended will get printed after the termination of loop. So let us run this and see how it works. See, we had got 1, 2 and 3, and as we know the 4 is not less than equals to 3, so it has the loop has ended, and we have got loop has ended. Do you understand how while loop works? Now let us see nested while loop where we have a while loop inside a while loop. So as you can see here, we have a variable int I which have 2 as a value, and we are having a while loop first which condition is I is less than equals to 2. So this will run until the I is less than equals to 2. So it is 2, which means it will only run once. So here we have another loop inside that. Do you understand? In which we have first defined a variable which is j, which has value 1. And the condition here inside the another while loop is that j is less than equals to 5, means this loop will run until the j become 5. Did you understand? So what we are doing inside that int result, the result which is variable have a data type as a int, which will be I multiplied by j. So I will get multiplied by j until the j becomes 5. So first I will be 2, then 2 ones are 2, then it will get printed. So result will be 2 plus a tab space. Okay, this escape sequence used to give a tab space between the two words. Then increment will happen. After the increment, the j will become 2, then 2 will be multiplied by 2, which will become 4. So this is how it will work till j is less than equals to 5. So this will print us till 10, means 2 will be multiplied by 5 at last, which will give us 10 as an output. So we will get output as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and after that loop will terminate. And then we are having another printing statement to get another space, means a line space, and then we are using I plus plus to get increment of I, means if I will run this, you will get output only 2 to 10. See, with a tab space between them. Did you understand? So the loop has terminated. First, this loop has terminated here till 10. Then it will check whether the another loop is working or not. Means I plus plus, it will become 3. So as we know, I less than equals to 2. This condition will also become false. So the loop will terminate here. Both the loop first this loop will terminate, then this loop will terminate another one. And suppose if I give 1 here, so here we will get 2 line of loop. Sorry, if I will run this, you will see first we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that we will get a space between them. That's why we use this. And after that we will again get this line. Okay, if I will run this, you will see we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have a line break. So that's why this line breaked, and then we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did you understand? And similarly, we can get more by increasing this condition. If I will make it 3, so it will get multiplied by 3 also here. If I will run this, you will see it also got multiplied by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So this is how we use nested while loop. You understand? And now we will see how to use do while loop. So do while loop first executes and then it checks the condition. So let us uncomment this. So see, first we have an integer count 1, which is a variable name count, have a data type as an integer and the value 1. So first what will it do? It will do this. What will it do? It will print this. It will print first line. Did you understand? Then it will do count plus plus and then it will check the condition. First the do is executed, then the condition is checked. Means first this is executed and then the condition is checked. So as we know the condition is true till 5, so it will run till 5 and terminate after that, and the loop has ended will get printed. So if I will run this, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4, count 5, and the loop has ended. So this is also same as while loop, but here we have do, which first execute itself and then it checks the condition. And in while loop, every condition is to be checked before execution. So this is all about while loop, nested while loop, and do while loop. And here below we have some tasks which you have to practice so that you can understand this concept properly. So today we saw while and do while loop in Java. Thank you.